Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churro bites at home. Start by combining 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove the pan and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix vigorously until the dough forms a smooth ball. Let the dough cool for about 5 minutes. Now, beat 2 large eggs into the slightly cooled dough, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This creates a smooth, glossy, and pipeable dough. Next, transfer your churro dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, such as an Atico 826 or 827. Pipe 1-inch long pieces of dough onto a sheet of parchment paper, preparing them for frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few churro pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove the churro bites and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While the churro bites are still warm, prepare your cinnamon sugar coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Toss the warm churro bites in this mixture, ensuring every piece is evenly coated for that classic sweet and spicy flavor. Serve these delightful homemade churro bites immediately with a side of chocolate sauce, dulce de leche, or your favorite dipping accompaniment. Enjoy your delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.